So how you can detect displays on Mac? If you connected an external monitor or projector to your Mac and nothing happened, here's how you can force it to detect it. Go to your system settings. In left upper corner area, click on the Apple logo and open system settings. Then on the left, go to displays. In the bottom right corner, you will see a button that says detect displays. If you cannot see it here, press and hold Option on your keyboard and it's gonna be visible. So if you click detect displays, it usually fixes the problem instantly. And if it still doesn't work, the issue is most likely the cable or the adapter. Also, if you are using USB-C to HDMI adapter, try a different one. Not all adapters are reliable. Or you can unplug monitor, wait a few seconds and plug it back in before hitting detect again. Sometimes that's all it takes. Just press that Option key and here should be detect monitor or detect display and it should be done. If you have any questions, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.